Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your marketing strategies with HubSpot Academy, full guide step by step clearly. First, visit the HubSpot Academy website. Create a free account if you don't have one already. Log into your account to access the wide range of resources available. Next, explore the Marketing Hub section. Here, you'll find various courses tailored specifically for marketers. Look for foundational courses, such as the Inbound Marketing Certification. Enroll in this course to understand the core principles of inbound marketing. After completing the course, take advantage of the practical exercises included. These exercises will help reinforce your understanding of concepts. Now, navigate to the Content Marketing courses. Focus on the strategies for creating compelling content. Learn how to use content to attract and engage your audience. Once you complete these courses, delve into the email marketing section. Discover best practices for crafting effective email campaigns. Practice creating email templates to enhance your skills. Next, familiarize yourself with HubSpot's marketing tools. Take the time to explore features like email automation and lead tracking. Utilize the resources provided to set up your first marketing campaign. Consider joining the HubSpot community. Engage with other learners and industry experts. Ask questions and share insights about your marketing practices. As you progress, set specific goals for what you want to achieve. Track your performance using HubSpot's analytics tools. Monitor key metrics to measure the effectiveness of your strategies. Regularly update your knowledge by revisiting HubSpot Academy. New courses and resources are added frequently. Implement the knowledge you gain into your daily marketing efforts. Refine your strategies based on what works best for your target audience. Finally, celebrate your progress and keep learning. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.